This channel has achieved 53+ billion views in just a few years, and every month it pulls over 3 billion views. And if you also want to make videos like this, you don't need any 3D software like Blender. Nope, you can create these videos easily using AI.
In 2019, scientists discovered something they couldn't explain. A virus that didn't kill, but healed. At first, it looked like a mistake in the lab results. A cancerous cell, once infected, simply shut down, then vanished. No mutation, no trace, just gone. But here's the part that terrified researchers.
So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. First, open the document from the link in the description. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will ask you for the theme of your video. Just select what fits your idea, hit enter, and boom, you'll get a set of viral video concepts. Pick any one of them. Next, copy the second prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Replace the title section with your chosen title and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a perfect script for your documentary. Now, copy the third prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Replace the section that says script with your full script and hit enter. ChatGPT will now give you detailed image prompts, and these are what we'll use to create our cinematic visuals. Quick announcement, I've also created a WhatsApp channel where I regularly share AI tools and tips. Don't forget to follow it. All right, back to the topic. To create your 3D documentary visuals, we'll use 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒕🔢 It's free and perfect for generating high-quality images. So copy the first prompt's image line, paste it into 𝒉𝒂𝒂💐, and within seconds, it will generate the first image. Now click Make Video and turn that image into a short video clip. This video is only around 7 seconds long, but if you want a longer documentary-style video, here's the trick. Go to the last frame of the clip, right-click, and copy the frame. Upload that frame to 𝒉𝒂𝒂💐, paste the second scene prompt from ChatGPT, hit enter, and 𝒉𝒂𝒂💐 will generate the next scene for your documentary. Repeat this process. Go to the last frame, copy frame, upload to �𝒂𝒂💐, paste next prompt, and generate next scene. Do this for all the scenes, and your full documentary visuals will be complete. For voice generation, I've already made several tutorials on my channel. Go check them out. After that, import all your scenes into any editing software and merge them. And here is your final output.
In 2019, scientists discovered something they couldn't explain. A virus that didn't kill, but healed. At first, it looked like a mistake in the lab results. A cancerous cell, once infected, simply shut down, then vanished. No mutation, no trace, just gone. But here's the part that terrified researchers. The virus behaved as if it was hunting only diseased cells, ignoring everything else, as if it could see what humans couldn't. Tests expanded. Tumors in mice collapsed within hours. Human trials were debated behind locked doors. Some experts warned the virus wasn't curing, it was competing, out-evolving cancer itself. Others claimed it was the closest thing to a medical miracle ever recorded. Yet one mystery stays untouched. Where did this virus come from? And why does it act like it was designed to save us? And that brings us back to the first anomaly, that single cancer cell disappearing without a trace, the moment this entire mystery began.
If you want a video on any specific topic, just drop a comment. I'll make it for you in the next video. And don't forget to follow me for more amazing AI content.